My name is Robert Melone. I'm the owner of Melone Brothers Bakery here in Linden, New Jersey. I've been working with the MIWE Orbit for approximately 9 months. I've been very impressed with the results, the ease of operation, the consistency of the bake, the volume of steam. I bake a variety of products in this oven, subs, Kaiser rolls, bagels, and moving forward I will try other products in the oven because I've been very satisfied with the results I've seen so far. I use the oven on a consistent basis. I use it 7 days a week, approximately 10 hours a day. It's a very quick recovery time in between bakes, very high volume of steam, and a consistent bake throughout the rack. I'm also impressed with the ease of operation. The control panel is very easy to operate for me and my employees. It's very self-explanatory to move from program to program, to enter programs, to adjust programs, which also benefits me and also my employees. The flashing yellow indicates that the oven is prepared and ready to bake. You basically have to just load your rack in, press the start button, and the program will begin. The program ends and it'll also flash. You have the option of also extending your bake time with the rebake options, and you can take it from there. We have a long-standing relationship with MIWE, which has always worked very well for us. They provided us with the highest quality ovens that have served the purpose that we expected. I'm hoping moving forward into the future that I can replace my existing rack ovens with the MIWE Orbit. I've been very impressed with all products provided by MIWE, and I hope to continue our relationship moving into the future.